Tèmi báwo ló ṣe ń lọ? Òtútù ọmọ o. Bonjour. Comment vous allez? Mbloqueria, mbloqueri. Afuganjia. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is the 14th day, and what I want to do is just to check the weight as usual and see where we are. Shall we proceed? We're taking 5 chicken at random, and I'm going to be weighing them using my digital weighing scale as usual. So everything is set. I'll go in and grab some at random. This is 550 grams. This is 500 grams. This is 550 grams. This is 450 grams. And this is 600 grams. My deduction so far is that in 14 days, on average, I have 550 grams body weight. That's the average weight of my chicken at 14 days. And so far, we have consumed 4 bags and 10 kg. So far, that is the amount of feed we have consumed. So that 4 bags, that's 100 kg plus 10 kg, making 110 kg consumed so far on 100 birds. So as you can see they are busy perching on the food. They are eating their food as well as the water. So they are doing fine. Hopefully in the next 4 weeks they should be out of here. By then they will be 6 weeks old. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I'm not a veterinary doctor. In case you want a veterinary advice, it's always advisable you go to the veterinary doctor. However, if you want on-the-job training, on-the-job advice, what I've had encounter with, of course, you can feel free to contact me using the contact in the comment section below the video, or also in the description box below this video. And before I forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging of you, subscribe to my channel and recommend my channel to your friends and I know you don't have any enemy. So peace out. Ó dàbọ̀.